Hello, my name is Jeff Brettel with Next Gear Solutions. I want to take just a couple of minutes and talk to you about your current sales process and how that impacts your business plan. If you're like a lot of contractors in our industry, you are still locked in to antiquated, out-of-date, and less effective means of engaging the marketplace to drive business. You may still be seeing salespeople who collect thousands of contacts because they believe that's the path to growth. You could still be dropping off donuts and hoping that trading that box of donuts will lead to $100,000 worth of referral. We want you to know this is not the right path. You need to get yourself into a place where you're ready for a complete paradigm shift in how you think about sales and how you engage sales. I talk to a lot of companies about LuxorCRM, but I want to be clear about something. Purchasing software is not the answer in and of itself. When you buy LuxorCRM, you're also buying into a change in methodology and strategy to a much more progressive approach to sales that can really help drive results for you. Software in and of itself is not the answer. It is one tool in a complete package that changes your business. So when you adopt Luxor, it's really important that you also adopt the changes to how you approach sales, how your salespeople execute, and all the methodology and strategy that entails. That is the path to fully transforming your business. If you adopt the strategy, you put into place the methodologies, then the software can really support you and deliver the value that is capable of transforming your business. I'd like to invite you to join us for Champion Days. We talk methodology, we talk strategy, we talk culture. We talk about the things that let you get your company into the right headspace to succeed, not just with software, but with shifting to an entirely new sales paradigm. Why don't you join us for it and see your business be transformed?